Hey guys, welcome to channel again. Today I'm trying to clear up my garden. In the back here, it's starting to get a little cold here. We might begin snow here in the next couple of days, so I need to harvest those carrots over there and try to cut some of this down and just clear everything. I don't think this is gonna grow anymore. It's kind of cold now. We're down to like 40s. Sometimes the 30s at night, so it's time to prep the garden. I might leave those like leafy greens, and those might still grow until it snows, but it's time to cut all this and prep the garden for next year. But yeah, I do have some carrots growing over here, so I'm gonna be harvesting this and I will show you guys how I do it. We can do it all together. All right, if you have a garden, please share and let me know how yours is doing so far, especially if you're in cold regions and stuff. Have you cleared your garden or you're just planning to do it? All right, drop a comment and let me know. All right, so I'm gonna go over there now and try to harvest those carrots over there in just 1 second. And as you can hear in the background, my chickens are really trying to get in here. They like to scratch, so I'm gonna be putting them on this thing. I don't know if they're ready or not, but I think it's time. I don't want them to freeze. Some of them are kind of little, but it's all good. They don't grow as big here in my region, but it's time. We can make some carrot bread and stuff. There it is. Right here. Good. It's not too big, but it's still worth it, man. It's still worth it. There you go. There you are. There you go. Look nice here. So far I got those. You know, when you have your garden, you really know nothing is wasted. When you have some chickens, I give them to my chickens. Next season, I try to grow more. This time I didn't. I was so busy, I didn't have time to plant. There you go. So I will share with you guys how I do it, how my garden is doing next year. Please share yours. Yeah. Right here. There it is. There, see that? So I'm harvesting some. Pretty good size. Right here. Looks good. This one looks big. Yeah, this one looks big here, right here. Look at that. Bring it close. Look. Pretty good, huh? Look, look amazing. Very big cat. I like it. That's how you do it. Perfect. I also had some of these green beans. Let me show you. Let me bring my camera closer so you can see. Look at this. Look at some of this. Like it's a lot of it. A lot of green beans. I've been eating these like for months. This little one just got a lot of them right there. See? So many green beans. Restart your garden and grow some stuff. It will be worth it, man. So there it is. Cleaned up everything. Harvested some green beans, if you can see them right here too as well. I still have this plant. It's still growing over here. But basically what I was doing, just cleaning up. I got all this stuff all over the place right there. I left this cilantro right here to bolt. There's some seeds there. Hopefully it won't snow before they dry. But if they dry, usually just harvest the same season and grow them next year. I got this zucchini right here. I think it's done. I don't think I'm gonna get anything after this. There's like some there, the little ones, but I think they're gonna freeze. So I'll probably just cut it and destroy it. Might not need it anymore. But this is how my garden looks. I got that this thing here. You can see this. It covers and protects with bugs and my chickens out there. They usually try to come in here and like scratch everything. All right. Anyway, harvest a full bucket of carrots and some green beans. It looks nice. If you have any questions, let me know, and please share your garden so I can see. Support one another. My DIY backyard garden. All right, there it is. Anyway, please subscribe and let me know. Drop me a comment. Thank you. There it is.